Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Mova home app settings for the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. If you're interested in the Z60, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's jump right in. So we already have the Z60 set up here. Here's a look at the main part of the app. First, you'll notice near the top right-hand corner, there's a little video camera icon. That would take us into live video monitoring, so we do have that feature and capability with this robot vacuum. We also have our enter, global cleaning, and we can add shortcuts. So let's enter in right now by pressing the big enter button. This is basically our main overview. We can see our model name, current, battery percentage, and charging status. To the right of that, we have 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. This is going to be all of our device settings. We can search for a setting. We can view things like our cleaning history, giving us a complete breakdown here and nice rundown. Schedule cleanup. Do we want to add a schedule? We can choose the start time, which days of the week we want it to repeat. What sort of cleaning mode do we want? We can specify that by room, custom cleaning, all of that right there. Then we have our carpet settings. You'll want to spend a minute here going over these settings to get it exactly right for your house. So vacuum carpets, mop raise. We'll click on that more settings in just a second. Do you want it to avoid or ignore them? How about crossing carpets? So pick and choose which setting you prefer. Spend a minute in the more settings where you can have it clean carpet first, turn on carpet boost, close mop cover for carpet cleaning, intensive carpet cleaning, side brush rotates on the carpet. You can turn that on or off. It's up to you and your preference. I love that we have control there versus either always having it on or not having it on at all. So side brush rotates on carpet. You have that setting there. Then we have carpet cleaning with chassis lifted. So you can learn more about that here. But basically it could lift the chassis when cleaning carpets. Just going to help it to not get stuck. That might be a good thing to have for maybe like your shag rugs, things like that. Then we have our floor cleaning settings. So auto lifting LDS, we can choose the sensitivity here for that. Basically off, secure, safe, whatever you want to call it, and then extreme. So that'll basically try to get to the lowest areas possible. It may scratch the top of your machine. Low clearance area cleaning frequency. How often do you want it to clean those areas? Basically balanced, once every week or every task. Clean along the floor direction, dynamic obstacle cleaning, then a couple more kind of like lab features here. Intelligent stain cleaning, we can turn that on or off, and then large particle boost. You can turn that on or off, take advantage of some of the AI. Pet care settings, so do you want to enable pet recognition, pet cleaning, pet activity zones, pet monitoring, pet moments, all of that there. AI-driven mop extend settings. So you can learn more about this feature too. They have really helpful animations and graphics, basically enabling side reach. And then here's the mop extend. So watch as it goes along, extending the mop on the sides. Very helpful. And then the frequency, standard, intelligent, or high. Then the clearance leg settings. So when it encounters large thresholds or obstacles, how do you want it to climb over? Synchronized, right, at the same time? Or do you want it to be the hurdle style where it's one at a time and climb? But very cool to see those in action there. Synchronized for thresholds. And then basically a hurdle style is going to be for track scenarios like doors going maybe to your screen and porch, patio, that sort of thing. Dock settings, we have our washing settings, mop drying settings, auto empty settings, detergent settings. So take a look at these right here. What's in tank A, what's in tank B, frequency. Again, you can really dial all these in. Washboard base auto clean. Do you want to perform that right now? I'll show you the washing settings and the mop drying settings. We can see these a little bit later too. But auto wash, smart mop washing, what washing mode do you want? Look at all the customization though. What water temp, so you can play around with that, what you prefer. Mop drying, same thing. How long do you want the dry for? And then auto empty, what frequency do you want? Do you want hair compression? So many settings for the dock. Obstacle avoidance here, do you want that on or off? Do you want to take pictures? Do you want to use the fill light? That's basically the LED light. Voice assistant, do you want to use Mova's voice assistant? They do have a voice assistant for this Z60. Real-time camera, do you want to enable that? And there's all the settings for your privacy. More functions, this is going to be things like child lock, resume cleaning mode. You get the idea. There's a remote control, you can drive it around. You can also raise and lower the navigational module. You can locate the vacuum, device maintenance. So they walk you through a lot of stuff there. Here's a look at the battery. Do you want off-peak charging on or off? Charging limit. Accessory usage. This is the breakdown of common parts and components when it's time to clean or replace. But they walk you through that. When it's time to clean everything. Take a look at the filter. Help section, device info, suggestions, device sharing, firmware update, and delete the device. So a lot of device settings here. Now, right below those three dots in the top right-hand corner, we have our map editing icon, and there's tons of features here. We can edit our map. We can also change the map display from 2D to 3D, rotate the map, turn different icons on and off on the map, depending on what we want to see on our map. And then here's what we can do individually. So we can rename, backup, restore, delete our map. And then we have different things we can edit: the room partitions, floor materials, add no-go zones or virtual walls. We can add furniture. We can adjust the cleaning sequence. So which room does it start with? And then you can go through that whole sequentially. Do you want to add a virtual threshold and ramp that's passable or not passable, or add a ramp? Do you want it to clean under curtains so you can identify curtains on your map? Do you have low-lying areas you want to target to make sure that it goes to those areas and lowers the module to clean under? Do you need to add some carpet to your map? There's a lot that you can do. We also have the multi-floor map management right here. So we can turn that on or off depending on if we have a single floor or multi-floor house. How do you want it to switch between maps? And then here's our current maps. And then we can always create another map down here. Hit that fast mapping if you want. Then below that, we got the little pet icon there. So this is our pet recognition settings. Then below that, we got the camera icon that takes us to the live video monitoring. Then below our map, we have three tabs: zone cleaning, so you can add multiple zones and clean those zones up to 3 times. We can clean everywhere, or we can just pick individual rooms on our map to clean. And then for everything below those 3 cleaning options, we have our clean settings. Do you want to use Clean Genius? Let the robot handle it all for you. Do you want to do custom clean? Do you want to just vacuum? There's your vacuum options. Do you want to mop? Here's your mop options. Do you want to vacuum and mop? The options change a little bit. Do you want to just mop after vacuuming? Do you want to customize your room cleaning depending on the room? You can build all of that out right there. So there's a lot of options depending on what you're trying to accomplish with this vacuum. That's under the left-hand corner, bottom left-hand corner. That's the custom or Clean Genius option for cleaning. And then we have our dock. Again, we can see all of our dock options here. We can empty wash or dry the mop. We can see our dock settings. And if we select more settings, that takes us back to the dock settings that we already looked at. So we can find all of that right there in our app. Dock settings, cleaning settings, map settings, pet settings, you name it. This has the setting.